So what we're going to be doing is removing the starter, and I've already replaced my starter once, but the reason why I'm removing it today is so that I can do my oil pan gasket and replace my oil pan. But I wanted to give you guys a look on how to pull this starter because it's actually extremely easy. I do have this thing currently on jack stands, but again, that's so I can actually remove my oil pan when it comes to that time. So let's go ahead and get this starter out of the way. First and foremost, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this ignition wire, this excite wire, and you can pull this harness off, this wire, this plug end off, but I don't want to screw up that plug end, and I know it's been in there for a while. These things have a tendency to break. So all I'm going to do is remove this little screw right there, which should be an 8mm. Which it is.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
Alright. From there, all you have to do is undo this bolt, bottom bolt here, and this upper bolt right back here that goes from the bell housing into the starter.
I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it.
And there it is. One starter.